Hi, I'm about to leave on a trip and I have a bad head cold and really chapped lips, but I checked the mailbox and my Sephora Play was in it, so I thought I would do a quick unboxing. I have not seen anything in it yet. I just broke the tape on it. Beauty is my spirit animal. I don't think so. I think birds are my spirit animal. I don't think I have a spirit animal, but I like birds. Dinosaurs would be my spirit animal. I guess they're the same as birds. All right, let's see what we have in this box. I'm going to dump it, and we'll see what's in the Sephora Play. Lately, I've been preferring my Birchbox, but I think it all depends on the box. First thing, Blossom and Blossom by Briogeo. Ginseng and Biotin Volumizing Spray. This is the second volumizing spray I got, but one might have been in my Birchbox. I definitely can use that. It will get used. All right, and this is Lancome Excessive Black Noir. I am guessing that's a good brand. I'm guessing it's mascara. I've been getting a ton of black mascara. Yeah, mascara. I use brown mascara. Black mascara looks a little weird on me, so this will probably go to someone else. And we have a little packet sample of Marajo, I don't know, hair care. I'm not even going to try to say what that says there. I assume it's in French. Nourishing Cleansing Cream and Deep Treatment Butter. I think that is a way of saying shampoo and conditioner. I will find out. And I got a little, eye pencil. This is Sephora brand. I am not usually all that overwhelmed with the Sephora house brand. Usually I find the lipsticks to be not that great. But this eye pencil, let's see what color it is. I get in the camera. That looks like something I would be able to use. At my age, I don't want to do too much to my eyes, so less is more, I think. But that I definitely like. And then we have, I think I got this a couple of bags ago. Oh, there's two things in here. Oh, Dr. Jart. I like Dr. Jart. Dr. Jart BB Beauty Balm, multi-action skincare and makeup. This all depends on the tone. Let's see what it is. That actually looks like it might work on me. I don't know. It would be too light. With a BB cream, you can get away with stuff. It's a little light for me. I look really Caucasian, but I'm kind of medium skin tone. So somewhere along the line in Ireland, someone from the Mediterranean crashed on shore, and, there was a family started. That's all I can think of for my skin tone. Can't use this. Those of you that saw my unboxing for Stitch Fix, you saw that fuchsia top that looked terrible. Generally, really cool pinks, really cool kind of lavenders, muted, dusty pink colors look horrible on me. And this is a purple liquid lipstick. Definitely not for me. But when I find something I can't use, I either see if someone I know wants it, or because I sell items on Poshmark, like clothes that I don't need anymore that are in good condition, I sell on Poshmark. And usually if someone purchases an item, since shipping is so much, I put in something a little extra, and it's usually things from my box that I can't use. But a lot of people would love that color. I don't think it's good on me. I shouldn't even be wearing this gray sweatshirt, but it was cold today and this is a really warm shirt. And I didn't expect to be filming. So, that is everything in the Sephora Play box. They always put in like a little flyer that tells you what everything is and has some cute stuff on it. So, here's the flyer. It says line up for length. Moose just heard a door shut. Hold on. Moose kind of knows that some of us are going on a trip and he's really upset, so he's starting to bark. All right. Line up for length. Lancome Drama Instant Full Body Volume Mascara in black. Showtime Shimmer Sephora Collection Waterproof Eye Pencil in a shimmery taupe shade. That I can use. It Was All Cream Dr. Jart Premium Beauty Balm with SPF 45. Maybe, maybe not. We'll see. Because I'm like this in the winter. So in the summer, my skin's going to be a little bit tanner. I think it'll be too light. I do know some people who could use it though. Bohemian Matte City Sephora Collection Cream Liquid Stain Lipstick in Bohemian Purple. Not for me, but again, for somebody else. I do find a lot of the colors Sephora sends me aren't colors I can use. Battle of the Strands Briogeo Blossom and Bloom Ginseng and Biotin Volumizing Spray. That I will use. And the Super Creams Marajo Hair Care, or Marajo Hair Care, wherever that word is from, I'm not sure. Nourishing Cleansing Cream and Deep Treatment Butter, and the description says luxurious shampoo and conditioner. So somebody in marketing has now changed the name of shampoo to cleansing cream, and treatment butter is conditioner. Anyway, the Sephora boxes are good boxes. I just find very often they don't always suit my skin tone, so I'm considering stopping them. Birchbox tends to have less makeup and more skincare products and hair care products, so it's more of a win for me. But I'm on the fence. Each of those boxes $10 a month. It's not bad. I do get to try new things, so we'll see. Let me know what you think of that box, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.